Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's braking performance, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you top 5 brake pads brands on the market. Brake pads are crucial for safety, performance, and driving comfort, so it's essential to choose the best ones for your vehicle. In this video, we'll dive into the top brands, explore their unique features, and highlight what makes them stand out. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, you'll find valuable information to help you make an informed decision. So check the link in the description below for more details and to get these top brake pads for your ride. Number 1. Bendix Priority 1 Semi-Metallic Front Disc Brake Pad Set for BMW models like the 120i, 228i, 230i, 328D, 330i xDrive, 330i GT xDrive, 428i xDrive Grand Coupe, 430i Grand Coupe, 430i xDrive Grand Coupe, X3, and X4 is designed to deliver exceptional braking performance. These brake pads are rigorously tested to ensure they meet or exceed industry standards, providing reliable and consistent stopping power. A standout feature is the 4-layer noise-eliminating shim, which significantly reduces brake noise and enhances driving comfort. These pads are made with 100% copper-free, vehicle-specific formulas, which outperform both original equipment, OE, and competitors' brake pads containing copper, offering better environmental and performance benefits. The comprehensive coverage ensures compatibility with a wide range of BMW models, from the 120i, 2019 to 2016, and 220i, 2021 to 2014, to the X4, 2018 to 2015. The inclusion of hardware where applicable simplifies the installation process, making it more convenient for users. The semi-metallic construction enhances the durability and longevity of the brake pads, making them a reliable choice for everyday driving and high-performance situations alike. These pads are engineered to provide excellent thermal conductivity and stability under extreme conditions, ensuring consistent braking performance. Their formulation also helps in reducing dust and improving overall braking efficiency. For BMW owners seeking top-notch braking components, the Bendix Priority 1 Semi-Metallic Front Disc Brake Pad Set stands out as a high-quality option that blends performance with reliability. Number 2. Rebestos Premium Rebestos Element 3 EHT Replacement Front Brake Pad Set for select 2018 to 2022 Honda Odyssey model years, EHT 2089H, stands out as a top choice for those seeking exceptional braking performance. These brake pads are engineered with a super premium grade that integrates the finest attributes of both ceramic and semi-metallic materials, providing a balanced blend of performance and durability. The advanced hybrid technology ensures superior braking power, enhancing stopping performance during aggressive braking while also improving pad wear and longevity. One of the standout features of the Rebestos Element 3 EHT brake pads is their ability to deliver quiet stopping, thanks to the 5-layered shims and integrated electronic wear sensors. These components work together to minimize noise across a wide range of temperatures, contributing to a more comfortable and peaceful driving experience. Rigorous testing underscores their reliability, with over 1 million miles of on-road evaluation demonstrating a 20 to 25% improvement in stopping power, a reduction in noise, and a 35% decrease in wear compared to standard options. This extensive testing ensures that these brake pads not only meet but exceed expectations in real-world conditions. Specifically designed for 2018 to 2022 Honda Odyssey models, the Rebestos Element 3 EHT brake pads offer a tailored fit and performance enhancement for this vehicle, making them a top contender among brake pads brands for those seeking high-quality and dependable braking solutions. Number 3. PowerStop 17 to 905 Rear Z17 ceramic brake pads with hardware are engineered for superior performance and durability, making them an excellent choice among top brake pads brands. These brake pads feature a low-dust formula, ensuring that your wheels remain clean and free from unsightly brake dust, which is a significant advantage for maintaining the aesthetics of your vehicle. The ceramic material used in these pads is thermal scorched to expedite the break-in process, providing a quicker and smoother transition to full braking performance. This design feature not only enhances the braking efficiency but also contributes to a quieter operation. The Z17 ceramic brake pads are chamfered and slotted, mirroring the design of original equipment, OE, pads to ensure noise-free braking, which is crucial for a pleasant driving experience. Additionally, the powder-coated backing plate resists rust and corrosion, extending the lifespan of the pads and ensuring consistent performance over time. The enhanced break-in process and the robust construction of these pads result in better overall performance compared to standard OE pads, offering a reliable and long-lasting solution for your braking needs. The PowerStop 17 to 905 rear Z17 ceramic brake pads are designed to fit a wide range of vehicles, including Infinity models such as the EX35, FX35, G35, G37, M35, M37, M45, M56, Q50, Q60, Q70, QX60, and QX70, as well as Nissan models like the 350Z, 370Z, Ultima, Juke, Maxima, Murano, Pathfinder, Quest, and Sentra. This broad compatibility makes them a versatile choice for various vehicle applications. Number 4. Bosch BC1293 QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pad Set is a standout in the realm of high-performance braking solutions. Drawing on over 77 years of OE braking expertise, Bosch delivers unmatched quality with this set, which is renowned for its strength, durability, and innovative technology. The QuietCast line features exclusive molded shim technology, MST, which integrates the industry's best pre-attached OE-style multi-layer rubber core shims. This design ensures an exceptional bond between the rubber and steel, resulting in reduced noise, increased strength, and enhanced corrosion resistance. Bosch's engineers have rigorously formulated and tested the ceramic friction material used in the QuietCast line to deliver superior performance, remarkable stopping power, and a quiet operation with minimal dust production. The powder-coated backing plate is designed to prevent rust and corrosion, thus extending the product's life. Additionally, the brake pads feature slots and chamfers, ensuring premium quality, fit, and functionality. The set includes pads for one axle, two wheels, a hardware kit, where available, and a synthetic lubricant to reduce resistance at sliding contact points. This product is specifically compatible with select Lexus and Toyota models, including the 2013 to 2017 Lexus ES300H, 2007 to 2017 Lexus ES350, 2008 to 2018 Toyota Avalon, and 2007 to 2017 Toyota Camry. Note that vehicle trim level and engine may affect fitment, so it is essential to verify compatibility with the fit checker. Bosch's QuietCast Premium Ceramic Disc Brake Pads set a high standard for brake performance, making them a top choice for those seeking quality and reliability in their braking system. Number 5. Wagner QuickStop ZD1094 Front Disc Brake Pad Set delivers exceptional braking performance for the 2012 Nissan Frontier. This brake pad set features OE fit and form design that ensures consistent, even braking throughout its lifespan. The application-specific materials used in these pads are formulated to meet the unique needs of each vehicle, enhancing overall performance and safety. A standout feature is the reduced vibration design, which minimizes noise-causing vibrations and provides a quieter driving experience. The Wagner QuickStop ZD1094 also boasts a zero-copper friction formulation, adhering to Wagner's OE25 standard, which helps to reduce environmental impact while maintaining high performance. Engineered for durability, the pads are subjected to a 100% OE post-curing process to ensure even friction performance over time. This brake pad set comes with premium stainless steel hardware and OE-style lubricant included in most applications, facilitating a straightforward installation process. Application-specific shims are designed to further reduce noise and vibration, ensuring a smooth and silent braking operation. With comprehensive coverage, the Wagner QuickStop ZD1094 is a versatile choice for a range of vehicles, designed, tested, and certified in the USA by Federal Mobile Engineers. Asbestos-free material adds an extra layer of safety and environmental friendliness. The brake pads offer OE-matched friction formulations and configurations to restore like-new braking performance, making them a reliable choice for top brake pads brands. In conclusion, choosing the right brake pads is crucial for both safety and performance. The brands we've highlighted today offer exceptional reliability and quality, ensuring you get the best stopping power for your vehicle. Each of these top brake pads brands has been selected based on their performance, durability, and customer satisfaction, so you can drive with confidence knowing you've made a sound choice. Whether you're upgrading or replacing your current pads, these options are sure to meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.